Welcome to the Due to Experts education series, brought to you by the Due to Solutions partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Shape widget. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your site and in editing mode. Head over to the Widgets area and type in Shape. We're going to place that here today for demonstration purposes. As you might be familiar already with other Due to widgets, you're going to have content and design choices. On the content side, this is where you would select the shape that you wish to use. Scrolling down, we can add a link to the shape. We can add it to an existing page in your website. We can link from your website to another website. We can link to pop-ups, anchor links up and down the page, directly to email addresses, to phone numbers in a click-to-call scenario, as well as files for download. Moving down, we also have the opportunity to add a title and a description if chosen. Toggling the eyeballs like this will set them to display or not display. Scrolling down a bit further, for SEO benefits, you have the opportunity to add alt text to the shape, as well as a tooltip. Moving to the Design tab, here, our first option has to do with the layout. And here, you can see that we can have a solid, or we can have a background image. Scrolling down further, we can change the width and the height, as well as choose to keep the shape proportional. We can add hover effects for the desktop version where hover is applicable. We can change the color as well as the image. We can change the positioning slightly. We can add a background overlay and control the opacity of the overlay. We can, of course, control the text positioning, the padding, the typography or font style, weight, size, color, whether you want it to be bold, underlined, or italic, alignment and text direction choices as well. Same options for the description font, as well as the option to show on scroll in a floating manner. Lastly, you can animate the entire widget and, of course, control the inner and outer spacing of the widget. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fixate Due to Experts.